audio and video. Okay, so you can go into drive, and we can maneuver around.
Oh shit.
That's okay. You got your seatbelt on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you can.
Where's the handbrake?
It's automatic.
Oh.
You just accelerate, and it goes off by itself.
Okay. There's no handbrake?
There's a handbrake, but it goes off automatically.
Oh. Okay. How many miles per gallon does this give? Is it petrol or diesel?
This is diesel.
Okay. Diesel
Okay.
should be better.
And you can stop here. Okay, so this does average extra urban 54 miles per gallon. Okay, it's a 2-litre diesel. Okay, so most of the course you are controlling the speed by using the brake.
Yeah.
Sometimes you need a little bit of accelerator.
It goes on itself.
Okay, and you have a spotter, and the spotter tells you where to put your feet. Where to put your wheels, sorry. Okay, off you go.
So automatic goes on its own.
Yeah, so he wants you to put to the right. Okay. And you can go forward. But more to the right and straight. Up you go. Keep going.
Well, this is brand new. It's only done 400 miles.
Yeah. Slow it down. Watch your guy. Keep going. That's right. It's normal.
Is the one wheel off the air?
Yep. One wheel's up in the air.
Is it the traction control?
Okay, so just stop it here. Richard, do you know where Ian is?
Yes, pretty good. Oh right, I don't know Enrico. No.
Okay.
I think he might be in the back of the black Cherokee.
Okay. Could you tell him that I'm
Yeah.
desperate to go? Okay, off you go.
Oh, he's here. He's up there.
All right. Okay, so we need to go wide.
So again, the Bearcat is one of these
And
aircraft.
get it. Watch the
It's a
fence.
wonderful sound to listen to.
Okay.
Bearcat, its design was to bring in response
A
to
little
United
bit to the
States Navy
left,
request.
a little bit to the left, and full lock to the right. Slow it down. Okay, watch your man there. And straight.
During the Second World War, the conflict in the engines
Straight.
before the type saw combat
Okay.
service. It was, however, used to great effect.
A little
in
bit to the
French
right.
Indochina by the French Air
Right.
Force. The Bearcat could have outperformed many
Okay.
early jet
Straight.
fighters
Up we go.
of that period. This is owned by the Fighter Collection,
All the
built
way up
in
to the top.
1948.
Gently.
From the left with the Pratt & Whitney R2800-73
Going.
engine. The Bearcat.
All the way to the top. Keep going. A little bit this way. Yeah, okay. And stop. He wants us this way a bit. Okay. And straight. And we can go straight now. Okay.
I let go of the brakes or?
No, you have to hold the brakes. Control it down to the bottom. Slowly.
This is supposed to stimulate hillside or
Yeah.
walking?
Just go forward. Or lock. And stop. Just hold on a second.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Hi there. I think.
It's alright.
No worries. So was he good? Was he good?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good.
So, basically, that looks. Yeah, keep going as you are. A bit more that way, a little bit more. Yeah.
Oh.
And then we're going to stop. When we get the back wheels up, we'll come to a stop. stop there. Oh, a little bit more, a little bit more. That'll do, yeah. And now, full right turn up there. Full right way, yeah. We're going to go up, and the right wheel will go along the edge and down that ramp. And nice and slow. A little bit more. Stop. And very gently, just move forward and round, line it up to go down that wheel. Get your right wheel down the ramp. So, follow him. Nice and slow, inch by inch.
Just keep left, yeah?
Yeah, yeah. Do what he says. Now straight. Straight. Nicely done. Get the back wheels off the ramp. Take a bit of a swing here. Yep.
This one is okay.
So you got it. Get it about there you go. Yep, nicely done. Just wait for our man.
How much of this cost?
They start at 15. This one's about up to 28. This is the most expensive one. Yeah, you're good.
To the left?
Yeah, just a little, as you are, that's good. That's it, now straighten up. No, that's not straight, that's it.
Yeah.
You got it. You're pretty good for that. Slightly, yeah. That's it.
Yeah, yeah. This way.
Just a little bit, yeah. And now straight.
Yeah?
Yeah.
More?
And now straight. That's it.
Straight.
I guess it's lined up, see?
Okay.
Up we go. Get ready to brake as we go over the top. That's it. Nicely done. That's the hill descent.
Yeah.
Doing its thing.
That's
Nicely
fun.
done.